इस वक्त की बड़ी खबर निकल के आ रही है विजयवाड़ा आंध्र प्रदेश से। भारत के पूर्व उपराष्ट्रपति एम वेंकैया नायडू ने कहा है कि मुझे खुशी है कि कल नवनिर्वाचित मुख्यमंत्री अमरावती ने नई राजधानी घोषित किया। शुरू से ही मेरा मन रहा है कि राजधानी एक ही होनी चाहिए। हमें राज्य के एकीकृत विकास की आवश्यकता है, चाहे वो आंध्र प्रदेश हो या कोई अन्य राज्य। आपको एकीकृत विकास आवश्यकता है, इसीलिए क्षेत्रीय आकांक्षाओं का ख्याल रखना कोई गलत बात नहीं है।
Be one, and facilities can be in different places because we need an integrated, balanced development of state, any state, whether it is Andhra Pradesh or any other state. You need to have integrated development. So taking care of the regional aspirations, nothing wrong. And setting up various institutes in various places also, nothing wrong. Even when I was Vice President, Minister, knowing the difficulties of the people of Andhra Pradesh, particularly this region, the injustice that has been meted out to them because of lack of financial resources, I impressed upon the Government of India to have various developmental and educational institutions. Take the IIM, Visakhapatnam, or NIT at Tadepalli, or even IIT or triple ITs in different places, IESR, IIT in Tirupati, that is airpaid, and also the Customs Training Center in Anantapur, Central University also, even AIMS, Medical Institute, All India Medical Institute at Mangalagiri, upgradation of the Agricultural University, Tribal University, different initiatives. I was there in the center. I have taken initiative to impress upon the Government of India, and I used to call ministers to my chambers, and I also used to request them to focus on the development of Andhra Pradesh and doing justice to this region. Most of the institutions which we asked for, they have been sanctioned also. And I remember that I, as the Urban Development Minister, we have sanctioned around 2,500 crores for the development of the capital. As the plan was not readily available, as March 31st was approaching fast, then we have suggested to them, utilizing the already plans that are approved for drainage of Guntur and Vijayawada town and infrastructure. It was approved and money also was released. I hope that those monies are spent in a proper manner and timely manner, and utilization certificates are submitted to the Government of India. Not all my colleague, late Sri Arun Jaitley, has given income tax exemption for the capital gains for the farmers who have given their land voluntarily in Amaravati. It is historic that more than 32,000 farmers who have come forward to voluntarily surrender their land to the government, to the CRDA, Capital Regional Development Authority, so that they can utilize them for the development of the state. That work was not completed for whatever reasons it is. I don't want to make political comments. And the farmers were on struggle, they were very unhappy. And finally, they were rejoicing yesterday after the new Chief Minister announced that Amaravati will be the capital. I hope the new government will focus enough attention on the capital development and also taking care of the various regions, Andhra Pradesh, so that the development reaches every region. And the institutions that we got sanctioned, most of them they have become functional. Wherever there are any deficiencies, I will still, even while not being in position, I will be definitely talking to the Government of India and to the people once the proposals and once the whatever needs to be done by the state government has to, for example, give the land, and the Government of India will give funds for construction of those projects. Some of the projects like in Nellore, in my own place, they were all pending for lack of provision of lands. I hope that the present government will pay enough attention, timely sanction of the lands and remove obstacles in certain cases. People have gone to court and got stay also. They are removed and they will take steps for completion of those projects. I am particularly keen that the Telugu Classical Language Institute, which I got from Mysore, separating from the institute, we got it for Andhra Pradesh. And then it is located in Nellore. It is functioning in Deen Dayal Bhavan, temporary accommodation provided by Swarna Bharat Trust. I hope the present government will go by the release order recently given by the outgoing government on the land and obstacles regard to construction are removed and construction is taken up at the earliest because Government of India is ready to provide the funds also. Once again, compliment the farmers of Amaravati for their historic struggle and I wish them all the best.
यूपी 78 न्यूज़ चैनल से ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट आंध्र प्रदेश।